Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of vector databases, a crucial component in modern data systems, especially when working with large scale data like images, text embeddings, and multimedia. In this video, we will specifically focus on Milvus, one of the most popular open source vector databases. By the end of the video, you will have a solid understanding of what vector databases are, why are they important, and how Milvus can help you handle and search through massive amount of vector data efficiently. What is a vector database? In traditional databases, we store and retrieve structured data like numbers, strings, or dates. But in today's AI-driven world, we work with unstructured data more than ever. Think about images, videos, audios, and natural language text. This unstructured data is transformed into high-dimensional vectors using machine learning models. The process of transforming the unstructured data into vectors is known as embeddings. Image embeddings are the numerical representation of images that encode their content and semantics into the high-dimensional vectors. For example, a picture of a cat would be represented by a vector, where each number in that vector captures some feature of that image like its color, texture, or shape. A vector database is a special kind of database designed for the storage, management, and search of high-dimensional data. For instance, content-based image retrieval, finding images that look like a given image, or searching for document with similar text. This table illustrates the key differences between the traditional and the vector databases. Some common examples of vector databases are Milvus, Pinecone, Weaviate, Vespa, and Fice. We will be focusing on the Milvus. Milvus is an open source vector database built specifically to handle the massive amount of vector data. It is designed for AI applications that rely on fast and accurate vector similarity search. Whether you are working on image search, recommendation engine, or machine learning, Milvus has the infrastructure to handle it. Here are the key advantages of Milvus over the other tools. Milvus is designed to scale, handling billions of vectors while providing low latency searches. You can store both vectors and structured data, which is useful if you need to run searches combining both types. Milvus integrates well with the machine learning libraries like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face, so you can easily store vectors generated by your models. Milvus is built to scale horizontally. Whether you have millions or billions of vectors, Milvus can handle the load across distributed nodes. Milvus works by taking your high-dimensional vectors and indexing them using various indexing algorithms. These indexing methods are key to efficiently searching through vast amount of vector data. The index helps narrow down the search space so it can quickly find the most similar vector. This is particularly important when you are handling hundreds or millions or billions of data points, as it dramatically improves the speed of similarity searches. Let's talk about some of the real-world use cases of Milvus. Recommendation systems. Milvus can efficiently recommend products, movies, or music based on user preferences and item similarities, represented as vectors. Image and video search. By embedding images or videos into vectors, Milvus can enable fast and accurate similarity search, powering applications like reverse image search or video recommendation. Milvus can be used for semantic search, questioning answering, and text classification by converting the text into numerical vectors. Anomaly detection. By representing data as vectors, Milvus can identify outliers or anomalies in dataset, aiding in fraud detection, quality control, and predictive maintenance. In medical imaging, Milvus can help search for similar scans or detect patterns across large collections of medical records. To wrap things up, vector databases like Milvus are revolutionizing how we handle and search through unstructured data. If you are working with AI, machine learning, or any application that requires similarity searches across large datasets, Milvus is the tool you need. Thanks for watching this introduction to vector databases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on data science and AI. See you next time.